In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet so you can follow along directly in the spreadsheet where you want to make the change. Once you're inside the sheet, it's important to understand one key detail about Google Sheets before you begin. In Google Sheets, you can't resize just one individual cell by itself. Instead, cell size is controlled by the width of the entire column or the height of the entire row. So if you adjust a column, every cell in that column changes width, and if you adjust a row, every cell in that row changes height. Now let's look at the easiest way to change the width. Move your mouse to the top of the sheet where you see the column letters such as A, B, C, and so on. Hover your cursor over the line between two column letters, for example, between A and B. When your mouse is in the right spot, the cursor changes to a resize arrow. At that point, click and drag left or right to make the column narrower or wider. Dragging to the right increases the width, and dragging to the left decreases it. This is useful when your text is being cut off or when you simply want more space in a column for readability. Next, if you want to change the height, go to the left side of the sheet where the row numbers appear. Hover your mouse between two row numbers, such as between 1 and 2. Just like with columns, your cursor will change to a resize arrow when it's positioned correctly. Click and drag upward or downward to adjust the row height. Dragging downward makes the row taller, while dragging upward makes it shorter. This can help when you have larger text, wrapped content, or just want a cleaner layout. As you make these adjustments, take your time and watch how the sheet changes visually. A small movement can make a big difference in how organized and readable your data looks. If your content feels cramped, widen the column or increase the row height slightly until everything is easier to see. That's all it takes to change cell size in Google Sheets. Remember, you're really adjusting column width and row height rather than a single cell on its own. Once you get used to where to place your cursor, resizing becomes quick and easy.